The second section of Lesson 39-1 covers question 3. Question 3 says, Model with mathematics. Often, we write the probabilities in the Venn diagram rather than the counts. Suppose a student is selected at random from Annabelle High School. Let S be the event that the student takes Spanish. Let A be the event that the student takes an art class. The number 0.32 in set S tells us the probability that the selected student takes Spanish and does not take an art class. How do you calculate this probability? Where did that 0.32 come from? Now, let's recall back to our first picture where the Venn diagram gave us numbers. And the Venn diagram in that spot had 12. And remember that we had how many kids altogether? 350. So let's see what that is. 112 divided by 350. Oops. 112 divided by 350 equals that 0.32. What does the 0.56 written in the box connected to the circle for S tell us? So what does this 0.56 tell us? Well, what did that circle represent? This whole circle represented that they took a Spanish class, right? So this is the probability that the student selected, or that the selected student, takes Spanish. Write the appropriate probabilities in the remaining empty boxes in the Venn diagram. So again, I'm going to go back to the first picture for reference. We have 84 in that center circle, right? So remember, this is all out of 350. So I'm going to do 84 divided by 350 gave me 0.24. Sorry. All right. Now just do a double check. Look at this. 32 plus 24 equals that 56 we had on the outside. That's good. All right. The next box I'm concerned about is this 98. So let's deal with that. Again, we still have 350 students. So that says 0.28. So 0.28. Well, obviously from looking earlier, I could probably add these together and get that one, right? So 0.24 plus 0.28 equals 0.52. And last, I have that outside box where they were inside the school but didn't take art or Spanish. That was 56. We got 56 divided by 350 gave me 0.16. I want to go back over to problem number 2. Problem number 2, let's just take a look at some of these. Takes an art class, 0.52. Oh, what do you know? Taking art. Then we said takes a Spanish class and an art class, 0.24. What? Takes art but not Spanish, 28. And this one says takes neither, 16. Look at that. I didn't even have to rework these, but I did, so that's okay. We're getting extra practice here. On to your debriefing.